And welcome back to CryptoLiveLeak. My name is Ken, and again we are here at Tokenfest Boston 2018, and we have the pleasure today to speak with Sebastian of Ripio, and he is the CEO. How are you doing today, Sebastian?
Doing pretty well.
Very good. So tell me a little bit about your company and what you guys do.
So Ripio is a Bitcoin wallet and cryptocurrency wallet in South America. We are 5-year-old. We started in 2013. We have more than 200,000 users across Argentina, Brazil, and Mexico. About to open operations in Chile and Colombia. And we are here at the Tokenfest to talk about one of our products, which is RCN, which is a peer-to-peer credit network based on smart contracts. So basically, this is a network that allows wallets and exchanges to interact through smart contracts to provide credit to their users. So basically, for example, with our users, they can go into the wallet, they can request a loan, and when they do that request, what the wallet is doing on the back end is to create a smart contract that represents that request, and it starts adding information about it, like the identity of the user, credit score, a cosigner for collection, and information to make it secure. So that goes into currently the Ethereum network, and there is a decentralized app where you can go as a lender and provide capital for one of these loans. And this way we're connecting lenders and borrowers worldwide into a credit network.
So having operations in South America, I know Venezuela is down there. Where they have the problem with the economic crisis, hyperinflation. Are you noticing any pushback from governments or any strive for more adoption from the actual citizens of these countries?
Well, Venezuela is a very unique case where there is a lot of adoption of crypto because it's very difficult to move funds and to do transfers. And across the region, you will see very different takes from regulators on how to approach the cryptocurrencies. For example, Argentina is very open. Brazil has some more restrictions, but it's feasible to operate. And then you have the completely against the industry like Bolivia, where it's completely banned, or Ecuador, where there are very strong restrictions to do payments with cryptocurrencies. But so you can see all ranges of that. Okay. We think like the countries that embrace it and allow the ecosystem to evolve will have a competitive advantage, and the population will be able to start benefiting from this technology quickly. The region is a region that really needs technologies that allow for more financial inclusion. More than 65% of the population is unbanked. Currencies are very weak. Like for example, the Argentinian pesos lost more than 50% of its value during this year. You have a lot of high inflation. Many of the countries historically have repetitive crises, and the financial ecosystem is not very well developed. So, to give you a sense of that, in the US, between 10 to 20% of the retail is online.
Right.
In South America, it's about 1.5%.
Oh wow!
So people has adopted a lot of smartphones, and there is more than 60% of the population that has internet on their cell phones. But they can communicate with anyone in the world, but it's difficult to transact and to have economical transactions. So I think there is a very good opportunity to apply these technologies to lower the cost, to give access to financial services, right, and to empower people, and can have a very significant impact on the economies.
Right. So what you're doing is providing a service that might be hard to reach for most of the people that currently are citizens of those countries. So you're doing a great thing. So if I were to want to use your product, where would I go to download the app? What website? What app?
So as a user in South America, you can download Ripio in the App Store or the Google Play Store. You can go to ripio.com. If you want to, as an investor or a lender that has crypto and you want to capitalize funds across South America or other projects that are integrating, you can go to https to rcn.loans, where you're gonna see our DApp, and there is listed all our loans in the network, and you can lend to people that will really benefit.
So interesting, the loan aspect as well with RCN now. Does the interest paid in native tokens or native coins that are being lent?
The network runs with crypto, but the loans can be denominated in anything. They are now denominated in local currencies, and interest rates are for that amounts in local currencies. And there are oracles for pricing that convert the crypto price at the moment of the settlements into how much crypto that is. But we are also doing integrations like with Decentraland, where the denomination of the loans is going to be mana and the cryptocurrency of the project. So there is all sort of possibilities doing this using this technology, and it's not limited to any currency.
That's awesome. Great things you're doing here for the cryptocurrency space, and we'll be sure to tell the audience to check out Ripio and also the RCN.loan site.
So if you want to follow us in Twitter, on Instagram, or any other social network, Ripio is Ripio Up. If you want to join the conversation about the RCN project, you can go to our Telegram, which is RCN Talk or RCN Chat for announcements. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, is Serrano44.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sebastian.
Okay. Thank you. Pleasure.
Perfect.